My role here at DENSO is to oversee internal quality, customer quality, as well as the overall day-to-day products that we produce here. I started out here as an entry-level specialist, and then my current role is within the supervisor role. What actually sparked my interest in engineering was actually when I attended a STEM, it was a science, technology, and engineering and mathematics program at Mississippi State. And during that time, they introduced us to different aspects within the STEM environment. So basically what kind of kept me down the engineering path was the fact that engineering basically is the foundation for so many different career paths. The automotive industry is fast-paced, so technology is always changing, so what comes along with that is a requirement for you to learn and change as the requirements change as well.